In this video I will show you how to craft netherite armor and tools inside of Minecraft. To be able to do that you will need quite a few items. First off, you will need a smithing table, which is this block right here. The smithing table allows you to upgrade your gear from diamond to netherite. And to build that smithing table you will need these items in this layout in the crafting table. Let me do that. And here we have a smithing table. Then you will need netherite ingot. To get netherite ingot, you will need to go over to the nether and get ancient debris, which you will need to mine with a diamond pickaxe if you want it to drop. If you break it with any other pickaxe, it won't drop. There is a few different ways you can find ancient debris. First off, you can try mining for it in the nether. I would recommend mining like this so you avoid any lava or something that could kill you. And this is probably the hardest way to find ancient debris. Then we have the second way, which is placing TNT and then you light it up. And once it blows up, it will destroy all of the blocks besides the ancient debris. Then you can go over to the ancient debris, just mine it using your diamond pickaxe. Another way you can find it is by going over to the nether and then placing a bed. Then pressing right click on the bed and it will blow up all of the blocks surrounding it. Then if there is any ancient debris where you blew up the bed, it will be revealed because the explosion won't destroy that block. Then you can go over to it and mine it using your diamond pickaxe. Then you will get that ancient debris and put it in a furnace so you get netherite scrap. And then take the netherite scrap and gold ingots, which you can mine in the overworld, and go over to a crafting table and place them in this layout. Then you will get a netherite ingot. Each upgrade of an armor piece or a tool costs 1 netherite ingot, so keep that in mind when trying to calculate how much netherite ingots you need. Then the hardest thing is to find a smithing template, which can be found in the nether bastions. There is 2 different ways to find a nether bastion. First off, you will need to go into the nether region and then you can use a command to find it. If you don't want to use a command, I'll show you the manual way afterwards. But to use a command, just go over to the chat and in here write locate, structure, then write bastion. And you will see this Minecraft : bastion _ remnant. Press the enter button. Then you can click on the commands and press the enter button and you will be teleported to the bastion. The next way is to just travel across the nether, run around, and you should be able to come across a similar structure to this. This is a nether bastion. Then you can go over to the nether bastion and explore the rooms one by one until you find a room that has chests like this. Then go over and open up the chests. There should be a smithing template in one of the chests inside of the bastion. Then just take that smithing template and maybe if you get lucky you will find 2 smithing templates when searching all of the chests inside of the bastion. Also, the smithing template can be found in shipwrecks and ruined portals in the overworld. And once you get that smithing template, I would recommend to not use it immediately because you can duplicate it with using these resources. You will need 1 netherite block, which you can get in the nether. You can find netherrack as soon as you spawn inside of the nether. Netherrack is this block right here. Just go over to it and mine it and you will get it. And you will need 7 diamonds. Let me show you how to do that now. You take all of those, you place them in this layout in a crafting table and you have multiple smithing templates. Now after you get your smithing templates, go over and get your diamond, tools and armor. Then go over to the smithing table and add them one by one. Then add a smithing template, then add a netherite ingot, and that way you will get a netherite tool or armor piece. You can repeat this process for every armor piece and tool. You can go over to the smithing table and upgrade them one by one. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.